Yeah, hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to replace your hard disk in your laptop and also install OS. As a YouTuber, without laptop, we can't do anything. This lockdown period, our hard disk got crashed, so we don't have shops to buy new hard disks. So what we have done is we are replacing from our existing laptop, which we are not using frequently. So I'm removing that hard disk and replacing into my regular use system. Come, let's see how to do that. So the OS is not working. Either there's a failure in OS or in the hard disk. So we'll restart the system and press reboot the system and press F2. F2. We have got into this menu. Okay. Now the hard disk shows only 10 GB, whereas we have the hard disk of 250 GB. I'm also selecting the boot by pressing okay. So now the system will boot from the boot USB. So we are selecting the language as English, United Kingdom, and next. I accept. Customize because so it says that there is no hard disk again. So now we have confirmed that the hard disk is gone. We have to replace the hard disk. Okay. I have a old laptop which is very slow, which is Intel Android processor. Okay, and all the keyboards have been worn out. So I'm going to use the hard disk of this laptop. In this laptop we are going to replace the hard disk. So first we have to unscrew this. Unscrew this and remove all the screws. You have only 3 screws, not a big task in Dell, but Acer you have a lot of screws to be handled. Just pull out and take it up. So this has been removed. Now you have 4 screws here. So now you have to just lift it and slightly pull this out. Your hard disk is removed. Now we have to remove this from this case also. So finally we have removed all the screws and removed this from the case. Now we are going to unscrew this laptop. So you have some 8 screws in this. Slowly remove this. So you have removed also this. Now you have to remove this from this cover. Okay. So we have replaced the hard disk. Now we are replacing this and fixing it back. Now after fixing this, fix back. Okay, so just see it properly settled. Now you have to screw all these four places. After fixing the hard disk, you have to fix this back. Start screwing this. Okay, so it's perfectly fit. Now I have two OS. I'm going to try with Windows 7. I accept. So you can see the system is ready after installing OS and required softwares. Now we are ready to edit. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell button next to my subscription button to get my regular updates. Thank you. Bye bye.